Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add HTML code to Shopify. So first you just have to log into your Shopify, go to your online store, tap on themes. Here on the themes, you will see your current theme that you're using. Now you have to tap on this three dots right here and then look for edit code. Here you will see different template layouts, and all you need to do is to just basically paste a code from another platform. Let's just say if you're looking for a code for shopping or clothing store, then you can ask ChatGPT for that. But actually, I strongly suggest to create or get it something from a legit and a good code creator. So you can just basically copy that and then paste it right here in the edit code section here on your Shopify. It could be if you want to create a new template, so you can just name it with like page.json and then paste the code right here, or you can use the liquid code. Everything is up to you. So let's just say if you want to create a new template, just add a name and then paste the code. Let's just say from ChatGPT, I got the code from ChatGPT, paste it right here, and then tap on save. Now, if this one didn't work, I'm going to show you another way on how to add HTML code here on your Shopify, which is, I think, easier. Just go to pages, look for something like contact. You can change this one later. For example, this could be like your store, your home page, something like that, and then tap on this code icon right here and then paste the code. However, I'm going to show you what it looks like if I did not paste the code yet. So this is what it looks like for this page. If I'm going to tap this view as, you will see that this page is just like this because this one is contact section. However, I'm going to change this with store page, or everything is up to you. Tap on the code icon right here and then paste the code that we have copied from ChatGPT. So this one is optional actually. You can add it from other platform. Paste the code right here, tap on save. Now if you're going to tap on the view as, you will see that there's changes. And as you can see, there is this store right here and added some features that you have included to your code. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.